So I use it every time, even for if you've seen the first grade lessons I've done on library, probably not, but all of those have been with this. Um, None of my kindergarten, some fourth grade have been with this. None of my third grade have been with this. But I mean, um, yeah, like if I, let's see if you're going to do, oh, because this would basically be like instead of this being scanned in pictures of your book, this is one of my presentations I've done with the kid. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you've seen probably this is one of the very first ones. But I mean, I didn't scan it. It's just a regular PowerPoint, right? Okay. So, stop.